ఇంటర్మీడియట్ విద్యారంగంలో అగ్రగామి మన ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్. ఐఐటి జేఈఈ అయినా నీట్ అయినా తిరుగులేని విద్యా సంస్థ ఎన్ఎస్ఆర్ ఇంపల్స్.
Next continuation to the last class, that is the RH factor. Continuation to the last class is the RH factor or D antigen or RH antigen. So RH factor or D antigen or RH antigen. So definitely what is the RH factor? What is the D antigen? What is the RH antigen means? Landsteiner and Wiener. Landsteiner and Wiener discovered another antigen on the surface of the RBC of rhesus monkey in addition to the normal antigen. In addition to the normal antigen such as the antigen A, antigen B on the surface of RBC, another antigen was discovered on the surface membrane of the RBC of the rhesus monkey. So that kind of the additional antigen, that kind of the additional protein which is present on the surface membrane of the RBC of rhesus monkey is said to be as the RH factor or D antigen or RH antigen. So definitely in rhesus monkeys, in rhesus monkey, this is scientific name is the Macaca mulatta is the scientific name of the rhesus monkey. At first on the surface of this Macaca mulatta or rhesus monkey RBC, in addition to the normal antigen, in addition to the normal type of the antigen, for example, if blood group is A, normal antigen is A. In addition to that, another antigen is also discovered. That antigen is later designated as RH antigen because in the rhesus word, first two letters are RH. In the rhesus monkey, in the rhesus word, definitely first two letters are RH. So that only this additional antigen which was designated as RH antigen later. So definitely Landsteiner and Wiener discovered additional antigen on the surface membrane of the RBC of rhesus monkey in addition to the normal antigen. Later that was designated as the RH antigen. So definitely this RH antigen is additional antigen. Definitely normally antigen A is present, antigen B is present. Normally in A blood group person on the surface of the RBC antigen A is present. On the surface of RBC of B blood group person, antigen B is present. They are normal antigens. in addition to them, other antigen which is present on the surface membrane of RBC, that is said to be as the Rh antigen. This was at first discovered in the rhesus monkeys, whose scientific name is the Macaca mulata. This Rh antigen later also discovered in the surface membrane of the RBC of the humans. Later this Rh antigen was also discovered in few members of surface membrane of RBC also. So definitely the person, humans who are with the Rh antigen, the persons who are with the Rh antigen on their membrane surface of RBC in addition to the normal antigen, they are said to be as the Rh positive person. They are said to be as the Rh positive persons. The humans in which Rh antigen is absent. Only in the humans on the surface of RBC normal antigen is present. Additional antigen such as the Rh antigen is not present. Such persons are said to be as the Rh negative. These are said to be as the Rh negative persons. Definitely this Rh antigen was later discovered in the humans also. The humans who are with Rh antigen on the surface membrane of the RBC in addition to the normal antigen, they are said to be as the Rh positive persons. Otherwise on the surface membrane of the RBC, only normal antigen is present but not the Rh antigen. They are said to be as the Rh negative. For example, if we can observe the A positive person, definitely A positive person, when we call the particular person, blood group is A, on the surface membrane of RBC, definitely antigen A is present, that is a normal antigen. On the surface membrane of RBC, antigen A is present, then we can say that is the A blood group. In addition to that, another antigen such as the Rh antigen, another antigen that is the Rh antigen is also present, then we can say that is the A positive. A positive. Otherwise, A negative. When we say the particular person blood group is A negative, on the surface membrane of RBC, only antigen A is present. Only antigen A is present. This Rh antigen, if it is not present as additional antigen, then we can say that is the A negative. So in that way, if on the surface membrane of RBC, in addition to the normal antigen, Rh antigen if it is present, then we can say that is the positive blood. Otherwise, if normal antigen is only present, Rh antigen is not present, then we can say that is the negative. That blood group is negative. So similarly, in A blood grouped person, in B blood grouped person, B positive blood, B negative blood, What is the B positive? When we say the blood is B positive, on surface membrane of RBC, this is the normal antigen, that is the B antigen. This is the B antigen or antigen B. This is the antigen B, that is the normal antigen. In addition to that, other antigen, that is the RH antigen, if it is present, that is said to be as the B positive. But in the B negative blood grouped person, in B negative person, on surface of RBC, only normal antigen is present, that is the antigen B. This is the antigen B, but additional antigen is absent. Additional antigen is absent. If additional antigen is absent, only normal antigen is present, then that is the B negative. Similarly, in AB blood grouped person, AB positive, AB negative. In the AB blood grouped person on the surface of RBC, normally what are the antigens which are present? This is antigen A, this is antigen B, this is the RH antigen. This is the RH antigen. So then only if additional RH antigen is present on the surface of RBC membrane, in addition to the antigen A, antigen B, then we can say that is the AB positive. Otherwise, if only normal antigen such as antigen A, antigen B only present, antigen B is only present without RH antigen, then we can say that is the AB negative. Similarly, in O blood grouped person, in O blood grouped person, O positive, O negative. O positive means on the surface membrane of RBC, single antigen, that is the RH antigen, because in the O blood grouped person normal antigens are absent. Single antigen, that is the RH antigen, if it is present, then that is said to be as the O positive, because on the surface membrane of RBC normal antigens are absent. So that only in O positive blood grouped person RH antigen is only present. In O negative person, on surface membrane of RBC no antigens are present. Normal antigen is absent. If RH antigen is also absent, that is the O negative. Here important question is that in the B positive person, totally how many number of antigens are present? 2. In B positive person, antigen B is one antigen, RH antigen is one antigen, totally 2. In B negative person, totally how many number of antigens are present? 1. That is the normal antigen B. In AB positive person, totally how many number of antigens are present? 3. In AB positive person, totally on the surface of RBC, 3 antigens are present. antigen A, antigen B, Rh antigen. In AB negative person, totally how many number of antigens are present? 2. Normal antigen A, antigen B, they are 2. Similarly, in the A positive person, totally how many number of antigens are present? 2. Antigen A, Rh antigen. In A negative person, so how many number of antigens are present means 1. That is antigen A, Rh antigen is absent. Similarly, in the O positive person, how many number of antigens are present? 1. That is Rh antigen. In O blood group person, O negative person, number of antigens are 0. This is very important in objective. In B positive person, total number of the antigens are 2. In B negative person, total number of the antigens on the surface of RBC is 1. In AB positive blood group person, total number of the antigens are 3. In AB negative blood group person, total number of the antigens are 2. In A positive person, total number of the antigens on the surface of RBC are 2. In A negative person, total number of the antigens on the surface of RBC is 1. In O positive blood group person, total number of the antigens are 1. In O negative person, total number of the antigens are 0. So, in any person, though on surface of RBC, for example, if we can consider A positive blood group person, A positive blood group person means on the surface of RBC membrane, normal antigen A, Rh antigen if it is present, then we can say that is the A positive blood. So definitely normally in positive blood grouped persons, though on surface of RBC Rh antigen is present, against to that Rh antibodies are not present in his blood plasma. In any blood grouped person, in any positive blood grouped persons, in his plasma against to the Rh antigen, antibodies are not present. Definitely here, Rh antibody is absent. If the Rh antibody is present against to Rh antigen, definitely these two are reacted, RBC is ruptured, person immediately leads to death. So that only in any positive blood grouped person, against to the Rh antigen, Rh antibodies are not present. Either in B blood grouped person in blood plasma, B positive person in blood plasma against to the Rh antigen, antibody is not present. In AB positive persons also in his blood plasma, Rh antibody is absent. In A positive blood group persons also in his blood plasma against to the Rh antigen, antibody is absent. In O positive blood group person also against to the Rh antigen, Rh antibody is absent. Then when the Rh antibodies are produced, whenever there is the chance to produce the Rh antibody, whenever there is the chance to produce the Rh antibody means whenever the positive blood is transferred into negative blood, whenever the positive blood is transferred into negative blood, inside of the negative person's blood, inside of the negative person's body, against to the Rh antigen, antibodies are produced. For example, just assume, definitely this is the A positive blood group. This is the A positive blood group. In the A positive blood group, this is the RBC. This is the antigen A. This is the RH antigen. RH antigen. So naturally, against to RH antigen, against to the RH antigen, in his blood plasma, RH antibodies may not be produced. Against to this RH antigen, in his plasma, RH antibodies may not be produced. Whenever this blood is transferred into A negative blood grouped person, he is the A negative blood grouped person. He is the A negative blood grouped person. In the A negative blood grouped person, what is the condition which is there? Only on surface of RBC, antigen A is alone present. Antigen A is only present. RH antigen is not present. When we transfer the blood from A positive into A negative, when we transfer the blood from the A positive into A negative, this RH antigen which is present on the surface of the A positive blood group person RBC, this is acts as the foreign particle to immune system of this person, because this is the protein. RH antigen is the foreign particle, RH antigen is the protein. Whenever this protein is entered into this person's body through the RBC, when we transfer the blood from the A positive into A negative, definitely in the A negative person's body, this RH antigen behaves as foreign particle. This RH antigen behaves as the foreign particle in the A negative person's body. By that way, in his body, immune system becomes activated, that immediately involved in the synthesis of RH antibody against to the RH antigen which is reaches into in his body. You should remember here, without entering of RH antigen into this person's body, this antibody is not produced. Whenever this person's blood is transferred into his body, whenever A positive blood is transferred into A negative blood, whenever we transfer the blood from the AB positive blood grouped person into A negative blood grouped person, in such case, from A positive blood grouped person, RBC cells are entered into A negative blood grouped person during transfusion. In A positive blood grouped person, on the surface of RBC, RH antigen is present. That is behaves as the foreign particle in A negative blood grouped person's body. By that way, A negative blood grouped person's immune system becomes active, then immediately starts production of RH antibody against to RH antigen. Never RH antibodies are produced in the positive person's body. Never RH antibodies are produced in the positive person's body. Always RH antibodies are produced in the negative person's body. Whenever negative person's body is exposed to RH antigen, whenever the negative person's body exposed to RH antigen in negative person's body against to the RH antigen, RH antibodies always produce. You should remember, always RH antibodies are produced in the negative person's body whenever negative person's body is exposed to RH antigen. Never RH antibodies are produced in the positive person's body. Similarly, if I can transfuse the blood from the A negative to A positive, reverse case. For example, if I can transfer the blood from A negative blood group to, this is the A negative blood group. In A negative blood group on the surface of RBC, only antigen A is present. Again, this is the A positive blood group. Definitely in the A positive blood group person, on the surface of RBC, both antigen A is present and RH antigen. Both of them are present. So definitely if we can transfer the blood from A negative into A positive, this is reverse case. In the first case, this is the first case, if we can transfer the blood from positive to negative, in negative person's body against to the RH antigen, RH antibodies are produced. But in reverse case, if we can transfer the blood from the A negative into A positive, then in positive body, RH antibody production is not taken place, because here RH antigen is not present. RH antigen is not transferred into the RH positive person's body. Means any type of the foreign particle is not entered into this body. Any type of the RH antigen foreign particle is not entered into this body. So his immune system is not becomes active. His immune system is not able to produce the antibody against to the RH antigen. Because here RH antigens is not present. Foreign particle is not present. So that only, if we can transfer negative blood into positive blood, in positive person's blood, positive person's body, RH antibody production is not taken place. Simply remember, to produce the antibody, immune system of the person must be exposed to foreign particle. Definitely here foreign particle is not there. RH antigen is not there. So this person's immune system is not becomes active. This person's immune system is not involved in production of antibody. But here in this case, RH antigen is reaches into this person's body, means this is the foreign particle to this person's body. So this person's immune system is becomes excited, that immediately involved in production of the RH antibodies against to foreign particle. In that way, whenever the negative positive blood is reaches into negative person's body, whenever the positive blood is reaches into negative person's body, inside of the negative person's body only RH antibodies are gets produced. Means whenever the negative person's blood is exposed to positive person's blood, whenever negative person's blood is exposed to the positive person's blood, then only in negative person's body against to the RH antigen, RH antibodies are produced. But in the reverse case, means if we can transfer the negative blood into the positive, in such case, inside of the positive body, RH antibody production is not taken place. So this is the mechanism, this is the reason to call AB positive persons as universal recipient. This is the reason to call the AB positive person or universal recipients and O negative persons are universal donors. For example, instead of AB positive persons, if I can call AB negative persons are as universal donors. Just assume, instead of AB positive persons, if I can call AB negative persons as universal donors, if I can call AB negative persons as universal donors, if I can transfuse the AB positive blood into the AB negative blood, definitely inside of the AB negative person's body, Rh antibodies are produced, he will leads to death. Otherwise, if AB person's body, AB positive person's body is called as the universal recipient, he can very freely receive the AB positive blood, he can very freely receive the AB negative blood also. Because in the positive person's body, never Rh antibodies are produced. In positive person's body, never Rh antibody production is taken place. So that only AB positive persons can receive other blood grouped persons who may be with the positive or may be with the negative blood group. Because if we can transfer the blood from the negative into positive, like this, inside of the positive body, antibody production is not taking place. Inside of the positive body, Rh antibody is not produced. So that only always we have to call AB positive persons only universal recipient. Instead of that, if we can call AB negative persons as universal recipient, if we can transfuse the blood from the AB positive into AB negative, positive to negative, in negative person's body Rh antibodies are produced, he will leads to death. So that we cannot call AB negative persons as the universal recipient. Always we have to consider AB positive blood as the universal recipient. In this particular case, though we can transfer the AB negative blood or AB positive or A positive or A negative, definitely in this case, negative blood though it is reaches into positive person's body like this, though negative blood if it is reaches into positive person's body, inside of the positive person's body Rh antibody production is not taken place. Similarly, O negative only we have to refer as the universal donors. Instead of that, if we can consider O positive as the universal donor, if we can transfer it into the A negative, if we can transfer this O positive into the A negative, instead of O positive as referred as the universal donor, if we can consider the O positive as the universal donor, definitely if we can transfer the O positive into A negative, whenever positive blood is reaches into negative blood, inside of the negative person's body Rh antibodies are produced, person leads to death. So that only always we have to consider O negative blood as the universal donor. For example, if we can transfer the O negative into A negative, there is no chance to form the Rh antibody. If we can transfer the O negative into A positive, in this case also, negative blood if it is transferred into positive, there is no chance to produce the antibody, Rh antibody. So that only always we have to consider AB positive as the universal recipient, O negative as the universal donor. Next to very important neat objective question on this particular concept. Very important neat objective question is that arrange the following blood groups in ascending order. Very important neat question. So on this particular concept, arrange the following blood groups in ascending order based on number of antigens. Based on the number of antigens. First A, AB positive, B O negative, C AB negative, D O positive, E A positive. So at first we have to calculate total number of the antigens which are present in the AB positive blood group person, total number of the antigens on the O blood group person, like that. In the AB blood group person, totally how many number of the antigens are present? In AB positive there are 3. Normal antigen A, normal antigen B, in addition to them RH antigen is also present. Normal A and B antigens are present on the surface membrane of RBC of AB blood group person. In addition to that, RH antigen is also present, that is the totally 3. In O negative person, normal antigen is absent, RH antigen is also absent. So that is the 0. In AB negative person, only normal antigen such as the antigen A, antigen B are present, RH antigen is absent. Again in the O positive person, RH antigen is present but normal antigen is absent. In A positive person, normal antigen A is present, RH antigen is present, totally they are 2 in number. So in this case, ascending order means from low to high, small to big. So definitely B is less than D is less than C equal to A is less than, that equal to C equal to, what is that? Yes, C equal to E is less than A. So definitely highest number is AB positive, next number AB negative, A positive. In both of them also 2 antigens are present. In O positive there is 1, in O negative that is 0. So this is the RH factor.